Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to buy USDT on Minipay. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Open the Minipay app and log in to your account. Tap on Deposit. Select deposit method either by local payment methods such as mobile money, bank transfer, card, Google Pay, etc., or wallet exchange from Binance, Coinbase, etc. Select mobile money. Enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit. The amount of USDT you will receive will be displayed on your screen. Tap on Continue. Enter your mobile money number and continue. All the transaction details will be shown on your screen to confirm. Dial the mobile money code to confirm payment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.